Hello and welcome for another video. Before we start, I want to tell me if you like this kind of videos. I'm talking about regulars, easy and relaxing fixes for my late activities. First, we have air hockey. My little nephews destroyed it with their legs. As you can see, they ripped off the wires from the battery connector and destroyed the screw holes.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares?
The first thing I check if the fan is still working. So I put my power supply at 11 volts and 300 milliamps.
Where we gotta be. You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
The first thing we must check with multimeter is what pin exactly is connected with the other when the switch is on. So it's the third pin from the left for the positive.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's go for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
Always use some flags for easier solder. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the
Now we must check if it's working.
bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares?
The screw holes are destroyed. I will use hot glue around the battery connector.
Where we gotta be. You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown.
Okay, now let's see the next fix. We have a remote controller for LG air conditioner. The power button is not responding.
But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too.
Let's disassemble the device.
And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy, I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine.
For cleaning, always use IPA, isopropyl alcohol, and 99%. The button has a lot of dirt inside.
Let's take it slow, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're